Now, once we have our image generated, we need to hover over it and then click on animate. It will be the equivalent of just going into video and create a video and then uploading our image here. So I can just come here, click on animate, and in this preview, we're going to have our video. And all we have to do is to go back to ChatGPT or to AI of your choice and then copy the prompt, select and paste our prompt here. So once again, Kling 2.6. I can make it longer if I want to, so we can customize the settings. The orientation is basically going to be the same one as this one, and I'm going to click on generate. It does take a little bit of time. This is sometimes a little bit longer, sometimes a little bit less long, depending on how many requests they have and how many people are using this AI at the same time. But as you can see, it's already generating, so it was pretty fast. Now, if I go into my account, so here, we can see that I did like 456 free generations. And then the paid generations, I'm not even sure how much I did, but a ton. And on this website, if we go into upgrade, it has a number of different subscriptions. So we have one subscription for free, the other one is basic, then we have pro, ultimate, the creator. Honestly, just come here, check if you want to like use this or not. I don't have any affiliation with them. It's just a great place to create videos. Anyway, let's go into video. Oh, it's already done. So let's go ahead and download this video by clicking on this button. And before we watch the video, I just want to say that we can actually just delete this image and then go ahead and just literally put like an image here, like drag and drop it or select it from the computer. And then you can turn any image into video. But anyway, let's see what we generate here. Great, looks amazing. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, let's jump into the next video.